Meaning of incredulously.
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 Incredulously. The word incredulously is an adverb used to describe a state of disbelief or skepticism. When someone speaks or acts incredulously, it means they are expressing doubt or distrust about what has been said or done. Typically, an incredulous person may express their disbelief through facial expressions or tone of voice. They may also ask probing questions or seek further evidence to confirm or deny the truth of the matter. Overall, the use of incredulously suggests a level of suspicion or skepticism that calls into question the veracity or plausibility of a statement or action.